Hey everybody, welcome to the last day of the challenge. Sorry I'm a little bit late. Today has just gotten away from me. I'm actually wrapping up some stuff for the start of my design course that I'm relaunching again on Monday. So if you're interested in that, I'll talk about that a little bit at the end. But today we are pulling everything together. You should hopefully be at the end of your inspiration process, have a bunch of ideas that you have pulled together. You have decided on a lead piece, which means that's the piece that you are going to use as your jumping off point for your room as far as colors go. And then we talked about how to source the decor if you have things that you need to buy for the room to help you save some money. And then we also talked about yesterday how to pull out the colors from your lead piece. So today we're just going to wrap it up and pull everything together, and hopefully by the end of this you will have a solid plan for how you want to go forward. Now this isn't going to be your floor plan. I mean, there's a lot of other things that could go into the design of a room, but this will just kind of give you a direction to get you started. And so today we're going to take all of those ideas and dwindle them down to the best. So I don't remember if I talked about this in one of the emails, probably the inspiration email. But what I want you to do is to go back through your Pinterest board. First of all, okay, to make your inspiration board, if you've never done this, you can do this multiple ways. You can use just like a piece of paper and then tape ideas that you have to the paper. You could do a poster board. I like to use Polyvore, which I mentioned in the email today, and it's polyvore.com, and there's a bunch of great tutorials out there to use that. But you just want to get all of the main items down into one place that you can look at and kind of keep your ideas, together. So what I want you to do is look at your board and pull out the items that are repeating, which we have talked about in previous days. So if you have a color scheme that's repeating, if you have materials that are repeating, certain like styles of fabric, pick out the best one that will go with your lead piece and add them to your design board. And you can either print these out or, like I said, use an online service like Polyvore to get those ideas all in one place. And then from there, you're just gonna, as you can either purchase things or collect items, you'll just go back and keep looking at that design board to pull the whole room together. And then this room can kind of be a jumping off point for the rest of your home. It has been a lot of fun getting to hang out with you guys every day this week. Hopefully that you have had fun doing this as well, and you have learned some things maybe that you didn't know, or just kind of helped get you that kick in the booty to get you going and actually get your room started, and then hopefully you'll finish it. And if you guys have people coming over for the holidays, this is a great time to kind of get your rooms put together and ready for company. And so this last little bit that I want to talk about, yesterday I told you about the giveaway I was doing. I'm going to leave that open until tomorrow. So there's only one person that has left a comment. So your odds of winning are very good if you'd like to. I'll take if you want to leave a comment in this video as well, I'll just take all the comments, I'll put your names in a hat and I'll draw. And what I want you to do is leave a comment telling me your biggest design challenge. It could be anything that's stopping you from creating the home that you love. Which brings me to the next point. My new course, which we did a beta test of it a few months ago, and all of those students are through that course. And I have recently had some professional videos made, so there's 26 videos to the course that I go through and talk about each step of the design process with activities and directions for how to do it. There's also printable pages to help you as you go through the process. And that course is launching again on Monday. So, and that's the course that I'm giving away for anyone who has taken this challenge, that they can put their name in the pot to have an opportunity to win free entry into that course. So I will probably hop on maybe again one more time just to check in, see if anybody has any questions. And I'll leave this group open for a couple of weeks. So if you have questions, if you're not quite done with your design board and you would like some help from any of us in our community right here, just go ahead and leave that anywhere. Like you can just upload a picture or just write a post if you have just a specific question. And either I or somebody in our group will hop on and answer that for you. So I hope you guys have a great weekend, and I'll check back in a few days and see how the progress is going. And maybe I'll give you a little bit more intro into my course and show you what it is behind the scenes. Maybe I'll do that on Monday. So have a great weekend, and I will see you soon. Bye.